God of Gizmos. My name is Satish Kumar Puswani. Today I'm going to tell you about Java 11 new string features that are coming in Java 11. But before that, I would like to say you a big thank you for your all love and support that you have given to my channel. My channel has reached a subscriber base of 5,000 and above. That is 5,042 as of now. So keep loving, keep subscribing to my channel. So thank you very much. Let's start with our new video, that string features of Java 11. So I will be telling you about these 6 features that are coming in Java 11. So let's start with isBlank. Uh, okay. So this is a program which actually tells you what version I'm pointing to in Java. Let's say I will just execute this for you, run as Java application. So as you can see, I'm pointing to Java 11, and also I will be going to Java paths. I will show you that I'm pointing to Java 11 JDK, Open JDK, and when I click on edit, as you can see, I'm pointing to Java 11 because these features will not work on Java earlier to this version, Java 11, maybe Java 10, 9. Okay, so let's start, and I've kept the font size bigger for you. Okay, so let's start with isBlank. So I will be talking about isBlank Java 11 feature. Okay, so I will be taking 2 strings, one which will contain any value, let's say welcome back to God of Gizmos, and another string s1 which will be containing blank. So if I say sysout and print checking isBlank, which returns a boolean value true or false for s, and we will be printing s dot isBlank. Okay, and we will be doing similar for s1. Okay, so I will just copy paste this, and as you can see, I have copy pasted this, and I will just execute this for you so you can get the output how this blank is working. I will say Java application. So as you can see, for s isBlank is false because it is not blank, it is containing this value, welcome back to God of Gizmos, and s1 is blank. As you can see, it is blank, and so it is returning a true value. Also, you might get confused with isEmpty, which is used for collection, but this is used for string features. So hope you are clear with isBlank. So now we will be moving to a different new feature of Java, that is lines method. Lines method is of string. So I will just remove this. We will be talking about lines feature Java 11. Okay, so it actually counts the lines that are there in the string. So if we say string s and we say God, it actually counts new lines. Okay, so if we say God of Gizmos like this, and if I try to print this out s, so okay, so when we are doing a right click and we are executing this, I will just save. As you can see, each word is coming on a different line because /n is a expression which denotes this to print on a next line, new line. If we say \t, it gives a tab in between. So I will show you what is there in this. Okay, before that I will print a blank line. Okay, you can say like blank line, and then we will count the number of lines. Okay, in this, so what we can do is we can directly print the output sysout, and this is the variable. So we say s dot lines. As you can see, this belongs to stream or strings. and we can say directly count. This will return the number of lines, or we can do whatever we want with the stream of lines. Okay, I will just print it for you. You can even iterate over it, whatever you want you can do it with it. Okay, so I will just say Alt Shift X, which is for executing the Java application, and I will press J, and this is asking me to save. Okay, as you can see, this is the earlier output coming in from this, and then we have two new lines printed, and then we are counting S. So as you can see, there are three number of lines in S. Okay, so this is a shortcut which I told you about running the Java application. If I run the Java application, it will give you the same output. Okay, moving on to a different feature, that is a new feature, that is repeat. So if instead of using a loop you on a string, you can directly say sys out s dot repeat, and you can provide the number of uh, lines you want to print, or number of count you want it to be repeated. Let's say 3, and I will remove this /n for you to get out of the confusion. Okay, and when we say right click, run as Java application, as you can see, it is printing on the same line because we have given this inside println. So this is executed only once, and this is repeated for 3 times. Okay, and if you want, we can separate it like, or we can directly say /t, so it should give me the output as tabbed. Okay, that's it. Okay, as you can see, it is printing 3 times. If I say this as 5 or 6, so it will print it for 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, hope you are clear with the feature, repeat feature, that is coming in for Java 11. And let's moving on to another feature. So these are the features: StripLeading, StripTrailing, and strip. So I will be showing you these features directly together because these are connected. And let's say so there is a GodOfGizmos with the space in as prefix and space in suffix. Okay, so when we print this, let's say original value of S, and we are printing this. Okay, and when we are using these three features, I will show you what is happening. Okay, and I will again test this out, and we are saying strip of S. So we are saying strip. Okay, and sys out strip leading of S, say S dot strip leading. So this will remove the spaces which are ahead of our value, and then again sys out, and we are saying strip tailing. So tailing means tail, so it will remove the values from backside of the string, that is suffix. So we say s dot strip trailing. I'm sorry, this is trailing, not tailing. Okay, so there is I will just first execute this, and I will tell you one more thing. Let's say run a Java application, and it's asking for save. So this is the original value with the spaces. So these are the spaces. So and this is the value without the spaces. This space is coming because we have given this space. This space. Okay, if you want, I can remove the space, and then there is these value are coming. Sorry, I did not put in colon over here. I will put the colon, and I will remove the space. Okay, and I will execute this again for you. Run as Java application. So as you can see, after the colon there is no space. So after the colon, when we are doing a strip leading, it is actually removing the space from the front side, and when we are doing strip trailing, it is removing the space from the back side. As you can see, we have a space over here. We do not have a space over here. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you, this is similar to uh, trim method that we have. So if you will use with this with trim, it will give you the same output. So I will just use trim over here, trim. Okay, and we are using trim over here, so this will give you the same output actually. Okay, so this is totally similar. We are just using a trim function over there. Hope you like this video. You have cleared your all the doubts about string feature, that new string features that are in Java 11. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get the latest updates, and do share it with your friends. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you.